Good day, class. I'm your instructor. I'm Engineer Victor John Al Anunciado, your instructor to your subject Calculus 2 or Integral Calculus. As you all know, today our country and the whole world are facing this coronavirus pandemic. And so, in lieu to the government executive orders and for us to follow proper social distancing and other rules, and for you to continue learning and having a class, we will be having our online classroom. Our online classroom, in order for you to enroll, you need to be a member of the Facebook Messenger or the group chat. You will be added by me, by your instructor, to, to a certain name of a group chat depending on your subjects. And after that, the instructor will give you, or me, I will be giving you our platform, which is our platform to be used for our online classroom platform will be used easyclass.com. So you need to enroll on the student side and you will be asked to have an access code. Access code will be given by me for you to be enrolled. And before you can be enrolled, you need to be approved by me so that not all the students enroll in a certain subject could really be member of our class. Those students ra nga na-adjud sa ato ang class list. Okay. So, rules and regulations. So, in our online platform, you will be asked again to join. Upon joining, you need to fill up your informations. It will take only around 1 to 3 minutes at most. And after that, I will approve you and then you will be already enrolled on the class. So, when you are enrolled on the class, you will have your own wall or you will have your own account. Your own account will includes different tabs. First is the wall tab or all my instructions you will see on the wall tab. Discussion is like your group chats. So in every session, I'll be making a discussion depending on the topics. So you could comment, you could ask me whether you understand something or you don't understand something or you have some questions. You could go there. Also, there is a assignment and activity tabs where you could see the assignment and activities that you need to be or you will be making, and those activities have deadlines. It means that I'll be making a reminder or a set of deadline when and where when you need to pass it. Like for example, I'll be giving you until 5 o'clock or until 7 o'clock, then you need to pass it. Or before the next session, depending if it is an assignment or take home activity. So if you send your activity or assignment after the scheduled deadline, then you will the system automatically marks you late, but you still need to pass it. Okay, so failure to pass it on or failure to pass it marks zero. Okay, so for our online exam, you will have different platforms. Like for example, we could use the easy class if I ask you to solve. If I ask you to answer multiple choice, I'll be using Google Forms and other platforms. So, and for grading, our grading must follow the 75% passing. It means if you have a total of 100 in an exam, you need to get 75% because you are board courses. You are engineers. You need to be developed to cut on that level. as much as possible, you aim higher than 75% in order for you to have an assurance to pass. And I doubt imposible mong ma-fail. Especially right now, we have every technology, every resources you have. While talking about resources, I have in your platform, easy class platform, on the below left side, on lower left side, there is also a library. I added I added books there, PDF books that you could download. Those books are free. There are books from MIT or Massachusetts Institute of Technology, books from known authors. Uh, some of my reference that I'll be sending you are not free. Therefore, you could look on the web. You cannot download it. You can just view it. Or if you have books on you, you could borrow. Or if you already have the books, then you could use it. But don't worry, guys. I'll be sending you discussion, detailed e-notes or electronic notes on every discussion with examples. But for you to exercise solving, you need to really read other books rather than depending on my discussion only. So I'll be sending videos about how to solve problems. Discussions with the theories and etc. will be given to you in PDF form or image form. Okay. So right now I'll just be discussing you about those things. So activities, assignment, uh, major exam, uh, diagnostic exam. So with regards to the diagnostic exam, every end of the module or the end of the whole module or whole chapter, you need to have a diagnostic exam, and which summarize for that module. And every topic on the module, you'll have activities and take home na mga assignments. So, inga na nato ko on si performance evaluation. Okay? So, ano dyan nato ko on siya in order for us nga makitaan dyan nato na capable dyan mo. We want everyone for you to pass, but we also want you to learn. So, for the time for this situation, ang amuka lang is we will be supporting you. I'll be giving you any resources you want. If you have questions, I will be available as long as I'm awake. You could chat me, send me images of the problems that you have questions, and as again, as I told you, as long as I'm awake, I'll try my best to answer you as fast as I can. Okay? So ayaw ka uwaw, pangutan na jud. Dili jud ko angay kawawan niya, di mo mangutana. Okay? So integral calculus ang ato ang topic. So short briefing of integral calculus is just the opposite of your differential calculus. So if in the differential calculus you have your answer or the solution, in the integral calculus, your solution will be the given in the integral calculus and the answer will be the given on the differential equation. That's why integral calculus are also called anti-derivative. Okay? So that's why it's called anti-derivative. So, okay, this will be my briefing on how we will do our classes. So, for more detail, I've actually send you on your wall all the things I've talked about. Okay? Including also all the outlined topics that we'll be discussing on this course. Okay? Thank you. and good day.